you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl G.babii. That's G.babii. And if you don't want to call me G.babii, then you already know you can call me the 7th letter in the alphabet. Okay, you guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things that I do on YouTube to gain money even without my page being monetized. Now, those of you already know that my daughters are the Dennis sisters, and their account has been monetized for a while, and some of these tips I actually use on that account, but that's okay, baby, because these tips are good where you can use them regardless if your page is monetized or not, to bring in you a little bit extra money. And depending on how much flow you actually bring in on your YouTube account, a lot of extra money. But before we get into it, make sure you smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, you guys, let's get into it. So, you guys, the first thing we're going to talk about to help you gain some money on YouTube, even without your page being monetized, which I'm pretty sure most people already know about this idea. If you got social media in general, you should know about merch. Merch is like everybody's way of getting a little bit extra money. It depends on how many sales you make. If you're making a lot of sales, you can make a lot of money. And see, you already know. Y'all slide on over to my kids' channel because, baby, they got the merch, okay? The merch. And y'all, merch don't have to be just t-shirts or towels, whatever you want to sell. Your merch can be anything. If you like hair, your merch can be bundles. Your merch can be braid hair. And y'all know I love my braids. So, your girl I will support. Just lets me know. You know what I'm saying? Your merch can be lashes. I love lashes. Hit me up. I will support. You never know who would support you until you actually go out there and try it. You guys, go out and sell some merch. Make you some extra coins. Sell some cute earrings. I would buy cute earrings. I love earrings. Y'all know I love earrings. I don't have one on today, but y'all know I love earrings. I would buy some earrings if your merch was earrings. Like, they don't have to have a face on it. It could just be something cute, something simple. If you were selling these little gold, look at me talking about gold. These little silver chains, y'all, I would buy because your girl like little cute accessories. I like shades. That's your merch. Like, that is your merch. Whatever you sell on your channel is your merch. We're just getting into the whole selling merch thing, but I'm hoping that it works out good for us because we got some new things coming over on my kids' page. Like I told y'all, the Dennis sisters. So we got some new things coming over there and new merch coming over there. It'll be up for sale, you guys. It'll be in the description box below so you guys can check it out when it comes. It ain't here yet, so when it comes, y'all make sure y'all check that out, okay? But like I said, merch is a very good way for you to make some extra coins on social media in general. Most of our YouTube, because you're going to actually be showing off your merch. You can wear it to entertain your people. Your support system going to see what you're wearing and be like, you know what, this is my merch, y'all. Shop with your girl. It ain't going to hurt you to spend $10 or $5 or something like that. So, yeah. Y'all go ahead, make y'all some merch, make you some money. Okay, you guys, the second thing on my list of ways that I personally make money on social media, you guys already know, is partnerships, sponsored deals, and affiliation links. I do these things all the time since I started YouTube. Like, I don't know, you guys. I'm not really sure which video it was, but y'all know I only been on YouTube for 4 months, and I've been on it. So I have been doing a partnership video. I done 2 partnerships, and I'm heading into the 3rd and the 4th. I got 2 more on the way, so I'm about to drop those. You guys already been doing affiliation links. If you've been reading this stuff in my description box, then you already know I have those little links for you to go check out whatever I'm talking about on my page. Make my coins, make my money, honey. You know, I stay doing those type of things, and you don't make a whole lot of money from affiliation links, but if you get enough people to actually purchase something, then you do make a check. It might not be the biggest check, but a check nonetheless. It don't hurt to make an extra $20, $25 just from people buying things through a link, you know. So make sure you guys check that out. And the best thing about affiliations is that pretty much every store that you can think of online, or a physical store that you can walk in, has affiliations where you can actually work for them and drop your links. And you don't have to be a huge influencer to do these things. I mean, you just let them know, I want to help you bring in some new customers and make your money. Like, it's not really that hard. Pretty much you just go sign up for it through the website and become affiliation with them. A lot of people work with Amazon because Amazon sells everything, you guys. There is nothing in the world that Amazon does not sell. So that is a great store for you to actually be an affiliation member for. Because, I mean, you can sell anything. Sell anything. Whatever you feel you're good at selling, you can sell it with Amazon and make you some money. I would advise anybody to try. Me personally, I think that I like doing it. And like I said, you might make you about $20, $25, but that's $20, $25 that you didn't have before. And depending on if you bringing in enough people who, like I said, clicking that link. Me personally, like I said, $20, $25, but you never know what somebody else is bringing in or what somebody else can do. If you got a lot of people who support you, you might can bring in $1,000. So check it out, see if it works for you. Also, you guys, sponsored deals and partnership deals bring in a lot of money depending on how much traffic you're bringing in on your page. I have told you guys a million times before, if you have not seen my other videos where I stress this to you guys, make sure you go check those out. But I'm telling you, to keep your traffic up on your page is pretty easy. It's not a hard thing to do. YouTube in general is hard. I'm not going to tell you that's not hard. But keeping traffic up on your page is not as hard as you may think. Let's just say that. And it's just really the matter of you doing the work and keeping the audience there for a long enough time for a brand to want to work with you or collab with you or partner with you and pay you to do the job, regardless if you're a big influencer, small influencer, or just starting influencer. Any influencer can do this, you guys. This is not something that is just targeted only for huge influencers. You can be a small influencer and do the exact same job that big, well-known name influencers are doing, and it's all a matter of how hard you work. My third tip that I'm going to give you guys that I feel is so important, because once you get those partnership and sponsored deals, and yes, this kind of falls in that same category, but it is a tip on its own, you guys. Once you get those partnerships or sponsored deals, how to make you some extra money is just throw that logo up. Let me partner with you, and I'm going to throw your logo up in my video, and I'm going to charge you a fee to throw my logo or your logo up in my video. If you just allow me to put your logo in my video, meaning it'll draw in even more attention to your brand or your company, then I feel like I should be paid a little bit extra money. It doesn't have to be a whole bank of money, you guys, but I do feel like I should be paid a little bit extra money, and you can indeed be paid this little bit extra money just for putting a logo in your video. Okay, you guys, we have finally made it to the part of the video that I'm super excited about, because these are the last two tips that I'm going to give you guys. And in these 2 tips, I feel like a lot of people don't express how much money you can make from these 2 tips. How much money you can bring in from these 2 things that nobody really tells you about or nobody says to you. I don't know if it's like a good secret that is hidden from the world, but I'm not keeping it a secret, you guys. I'm here to let you know what's what. So let's get into these tips. My 4th tip for you guys is licensing your video. You guys, you should get all the rights to your video and own everything in your video, no copyrights in it, and just sell it out to people, you guys. Let them use it for whatever use they want to use it in and make you some money. Like, it is not that bad of a thing. You can actually simply sell your photos. And I know that don't have anything to do with actually YouTube, but you can take a photo, sell your photo, take a video, sell your video, long as you license it and sell it. Make your money, make your coins off of your own personality, being yourself. Just come on here, film a video, sell that video, and make your money. And my last tip, you guys, which I know personally brings in you a chunk of money, but intro and outro on your YouTube can bring you in more money than you can imagine. If you actually have the full rights to the music that you play in your intro and outro on YouTube, then you will bring in money per view that watch your video. Per person that is watching your video, you will bring in money. It's like a win-win. Now, the only con that I have to this is that you actually have a copyright on your YouTube, which is fine, because once you have a copyright on your YouTube video, you still don't have copyright on that music. That copyright is your music. You have the copy for it. You are the copyright owner of your own music at this point. And once you put your own music on your intro, on your outro, it's your own image. You're not stealing anybody else's image. You're not stealing anybody else's music. You doing all the work. It's not nobody mixed and matched. It's yours. You came up with this. You came up with the beat. You came up with the song. You own the copy. You're the copyright holder, and it's yours. Like, nobody can take what's yours from you. So even though you have a copyright on YouTube, you still gonna bring in your money from your intro and outro video. Simple. Like, it's money to be made on YouTube even without a monetized account. So don't think that monetization is my only way to make money on YouTube. It's not. Honestly, my kids actually made more money from the copyrighted music on their intro than what they made from YouTube, you guys. So I'm telling you, it's okay if you have that copyright strike and it's your own copyright strike. That tells you how much money these other people are making off of a copyright from your views that are coming in. So just remain focused, you guys, on YouTube. Remain focused and just do you. Do what you do and make your bag. Baby, make the bag. The bag is waiting for you. And make it. So, you guys, that is my 5 simple tips that you can make money on YouTube without a monetized account, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys took in some of the information that I gave you. I hope that it helps you make your money, and I hope, drop down in the comments if you knew about some of these tips. Drop down in the comments of other tips that you might use to make money on YouTube. What you doing? How you making your bag? So I guess that's a wrap for this video, you guys. I'm wishing you a whole lot of peace, love, and blessings. And remember, if it ain't about the bag, we ain't stressing it. Period.